Dear students, 5th வீட்டில் 5.3 next topic பாருங்கள். Effect of pressure on chemical potential. The chemical potential mu of the component I is given by expressions dou G by 2Ni. Temperature pressure N1 N2 equal to mu I. Equation number 1. Differentiating write the pressure and constant temperature and compositions dou squared G by dou Ni dou P equal to dou mu I by 2P. Temperature N1 N2. Equation number 2. Dou G by dou P. Temperature N1 N2 Ni equal to mu I. Equation number 3. Differentiating right to Ni and constant temperature at compositions dou squared G by dou P 2Ni equal to dou V by dou Ni. Temperature N1 N2 equal to V bar I. Equation number 4. Comparing equations 2 and 4 we get dou mu I by dou P. Temperature N1 N2 equal to Vi bar. Equation number 5. Vi bar partial molar volume of the either component. The rate change of the chemical potential with the pressures of a particular component of the system and constant temperature is equal to the molar volume of the constituents. Next topic, keeps to give equations. Very important question. In many component system involving change of compositions, the pre-change is given by dG equal to dou G by dou P Tp temperature N1 N2 Ni plus dou G by dou T Tt pressure N1 N2 Ni. Me1 dN2 plus me2 dN2 plus me by dNi. Equation number 1 equal to Vtp minus STt plus me1 dN1 plus me2 dN2 plus me by dNi. Equation number 2. At constant temperature at the pressure, the above the equation became dG equal to me1 d1 plus me2 dN2 plus me by dNi. Equation number 3. On integrating these equations, we get G equal to me1 N1 plus me2 N2 plus me by Ni. Equation number 4. Differentiating the equations, we get dG equal to me1 and d1 plus N1 d me1 plus me2 dN2 plus N2 d me2 plus me by dNi plus Ni d mu y. Equation number 5. Comparisons of the equations 3 and 5 show that N1 d mu1 plus N2 d mu2 plus Ni d mu y equal to 0 or epsilon Ni d mu y equal 0. Equation number 6. This simple relationship is known as keeps to give equations. For a system have a only two component, the above the equations may be written as N1 d mu1 plus N2 d mu2 plus equal to 0. N2 d mu2 equal to minus N1 d mu1. D mu2 equal to minus N1 by N2 d mu1. Equation number 7. The change in chemical potentials of one component effect of the value of other component as well as if d mu1 is positive, increasing d mu2 negative, d mu2 increasing, and using the above equations it possible to calculate the change of chemical potentials one component. knowing the change in chemical potential of the other variations of in compositions. Thank you, students.